The world of programming is changing. It's evolving at a pace we've never seen before, driven by the relentless march of technology and innovation. A new era is dawning, powered by artificial intelligence. This isn't just a minor shift, it's a revolutionary transformation that promises to redefine the very essence of software development. Imagine having a coding partner who could understand your intentions, predict your next line of code, and even write entire functions for you. This partner isn't human, but an AI code assistant, a tool designed to augment human capabilities and push the boundaries of what's possible in programming. This is the promise of AI code assistants. They are not just tools, they are collaborators that can learn from your coding style, adapt to your needs, and help you achieve more than you ever thought possible. These intelligent tools are revolutionizing software development, making it faster, easier, and more accessible. They are breaking down barriers, allowing more people to enter the field of programming and contribute to the digital world. AI code assistants are like having a super-powered coding buddy. They can handle repetitive tasks, suggest improvements, and even debug your code, freeing you up to focus on the creative and complex aspects of development. They can help programmers of all skill levels write better code faster, from suggesting code snippets to generating complex algorithms. These intelligent tools are transforming the way we build software. Beginners can learn and grow more quickly, while experienced developers can push the envelope and innovate like never before. These intelligent tools are transforming the way we build software. They are not just about speed and efficiency. They are about enhancing creativity and enabling developers to explore new possibilities. The impact of AI code assistants is undeniable. They are boosting productivity, reducing errors, and making the development process more enjoyable and less stressful. With AI handling the mundane and error-prone tasks, developers can focus on what they do best, solving problems and creating innovative solutions, and empowering developers to tackle more ambitious projects. With AI by their side, developers can take on challenges that were previously out of reach, pushing the boundaries of what software can do. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more powerful and sophisticated coding assistants in the future. These tools will become more intuitive, more capable, and more integrated into our development environments, making them indispensable partners in the coding process. This is just the beginning of a new era in software development. The rise of the AI programmer is not just a trend. It's a fundamental shift that will shape the future of technology and innovation. As we embrace these intelligent tools, we are not just changing the way we code, we are changing the world. At the forefront of this AI revolution is GitHub Copilot, a groundbreaking tool developed by GitHub and OpenAI. This collaboration has brought together the best of both worlds: GitHub's extensive experience in software development and OpenAI's cutting-edge advancements in artificial intelligence. Launched in 2021, Copilot has quickly gained popularity among developers worldwide. Its intuitive interface and powerful capabilities have made it an indispensable tool for both novice and experienced programmers. It's like having an AI pair programmer right inside your code editor. Imagine having a tireless assistant who is always ready to help, providing suggestions and solutions in real time as you code. GitHub Copilot is more than just a code completion tool. It's an intelligent assistant that understands your coding style and adapts to it, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. It's a powerful AI assistant trained on a massive dataset of code and text. This extensive training allows Copilot to provide suggestions that are not only accurate but also contextually relevant. This allows Copilot to understand the context of your code and provide highly relevant suggestions, often going beyond simple auto-completion. It can suggest entire functions, classes, and even complex algorithms based on the context of your project. Think of Copilot as a coding partner who has read every programming book and learned from millions of code repositories. It brings a wealth of knowledge to your fingertips, making it easier to tackle challenging problems and implement the best practices. It can help you write code faster, learn new programming languages, and even understand complex frameworks and libraries. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, Copilot can significantly boost your productivity and explore different coding styles. By exposing you to various coding techniques and paradigms, Copilot helps you become a more versatile and well-rounded programmer. With Copilot by your side, you can focus on the bigger picture of software development, while it takes care of the nitty-gritty details. This allows you to concentrate on designing robust architectures, optimizing performance, and delivering high-quality software solutions. Moreover, Copilot can be a source of inspiration, suggesting innovative solutions and helping you brainstorm new ideas. It's like having a creative partner who is always ready to contribute to your projects. When it comes to debugging, Copilot can assist in identifying issues and suggesting fixes, making the debugging process more efficient and less time-consuming. It can also help with code reviews, ensuring that your code adheres to best practices and is free of common errors. This collaborative approach to coding can lead to higher quality software and more maintainable code bases. Integrating Copilot into your workflow is seamless, and its benefits are immediately apparent. By leveraging the power of AI, you can enhance your productivity, reduce the time spent on repetitive tasks, and focus on what truly matters, creating innovative software solutions. As we move forward, tools like GitHub Copilot will continue to evolve, empowering developers to achieve their goals more efficiently and effectively. The future of coding is here, and it's powered by AI. Embrace this new era of coding with GitHub Copilot and experience the transformative power of AI in your development journey. Together, we can build a brighter future for software development. But how does GitHub Copilot actually work? Let's dive deeper into the mechanics behind this innovative tool. At its core, Copilot is powered by a sophisticated machine learning model called Codex, developed by OpenAI. Codex is designed to understand and generate code in a way that mimics human programmers. Codex is a descendant of GPT-3, a powerful language model known for its ability to generate human-quality text. GPT-3 itself is a marvel of modern AI, capable of understanding and producing text that is contextually relevant and coherent. Copilot's machine learning model has been trained on billions of lines of code. This extensive training allows it to recognize patterns, understand syntax, and even grasp the semantics of various programming languages. This vast training data allows it to understand the nuances of programming languages and generate code that is often indistinguishable from human-written code. The model can suggest anything from simple lines of code to complex algorithms, making it a versatile tool for developers. When you use Copilot, it analyzes the code you're writing and the surrounding context. This means it doesn't just look at the current line of code, but also considers the entire project, including comments, variable names, and the overall structure. It then uses its knowledge of programming languages and its understanding of your project to suggest code, snippets, functions, or even entire blocks of code. These suggestions are context-aware, meaning they are tailored to fit seamlessly into your existing code base. You can accept Copilot's suggestions, modify them, or choose to write your own code from scratch. This flexibility allows developers to maintain control over their code while benefiting from the efficiency and creativity that Copilot brings to the table. Moreover, Copilot can be a valuable tool for collaborative coding. It can help teams maintain a consistent coding style and adhere to best practices, as it provides suggestions that are in line with the project's guidelines. Debugging and version control are also areas where Copilot can assist. By suggesting potential fixes and improvements, it can help developers identify and resolve issues more quickly. This can lead to more efficient development cycles and higher quality software. For those learning new programming languages or frameworks, Copilot can serve as an educational tool. By providing real-time code suggestions and explanations, it can accelerate the learning process and help new developers understand best practices and common patterns. Users can also customize Copilot's behavior to better suit their needs. By adjusting settings and preferences, developers can fine-tune the types of suggestions they receive, ensuring that Copilot aligns with their personal coding style and project requirements. In summary, GitHub Copilot is more than just a code completion tool. It's a powerful assistant that leverages advanced machine learning to enhance the coding experience. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, Copilot can help you write better code faster. As we continue to explore the possibilities of machine learning in software development, tools like Copilot will undoubtedly play a significant role in shaping the future of coding. The journey has just begun, and the potential is limitless. The benefits of using AI code assistants like Copilot are numerous. For starters, Copilot can significantly boost your productivity. It automates repetitive coding tasks, allowing you to focus on the more creative and challenging aspects of software development. Imagine writing a complex algorithm in minutes instead of hours. Copilot is also a fantastic tool for learning new programming languages or frameworks. It can generate code snippets and provide explanations, helping you grasp new concepts quickly. Furthermore, Copilot can help you write more efficient and secure code. Its AI algorithms are trained on best practices and can identify potential security vulnerabilities, guiding you to write more robust software. Copilot is like having an experienced mentor looking over your shoulder, providing guidance and helping you improve your coding skills. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below with your thoughts and hit that subscribe button for more amazing content. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support means the world to us.